Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday, and if you can check on your economic calendar, later on my side around 8 p.m., there is a FOMC meeting. So this might actually make the market to not move very nice or smooth at the moment, because we know every time when we have some economic news before, the market tends to struggle to move. Plus, tomorrow it's CPI. So it's going to be a very, very, very important week for us. And later on Friday, we have PI. So which means this week we have some very great economic news. So at the end of the day, that will actually result in the volatility on the market, but mostly before the news, like now, the market might end up just consolidating or maybe creating some crazy moves, you see. But don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. We are on a dollar index. This shows us the strength of the dollar. So if you can check nicely there, you can see that we actually on that downtrend structure, but it seems like the market is breaking out of that, and now it's starting to show us that we are going to go on the upside. You see that we are coming from this proper uptrend. The market was going up, and then after we have this nice breakout. So the question is, are we going to see this breakout of this resistance continuing to go higher, or maybe we're going to have some reversals later on? I think at the moment, anything is quite possible. But if we can go closer, there you will see that, yeah, it seems like the market is aggressively reversing there. But since we are still far from the area where the market broke out, this area is where the market actually, we can say, BR breakout. So the market might still reach that level and still respect that. So which means if maybe we are going to look for any buy position there, let's make sure that everything actually makes sense, everything confirms with everything. But at the moment, to make sure that we don't really fall for any fake move or we don't really miss anything, I think we might reuse this area. I think it will make sense, but I wanted it to be around this level, but I don't really control the market. It means it will be something like this. But what we're going to use here, we're going to say we just have to wait for a better reversal. The market has to give us a nice reversal structure that we can start to see that indeed the market is moving away from. So let me change that so that we can easily see that the market is moving away from this downtrend, because the market might still respect any of the structures, but at the moment we can say, okay, let's wait for the market to give us something like that. Then we will start to see the build up starting to happen. Then we can start to see that, oh, other pairs are doing that because of whatever that we see. We saw the market trying to reverse on other pairs, GBP, USD, Euro USD, all those pairs are now trying to reverse. Remember, they were actually going higher, and it seems like now they will be going down because the dollar is gaining that momentum. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So, but since we have FOMC tomorrow, maybe things will change. So not tomorrow, sorry, later today, or let's say tonight, and then tomorrow it's CPI. So that might change the way we see the market. Things might change according to those results. It seems like CPI, they estimate that CPI is gonna go a little bit lower, and if that is true, then we will see USD loses the momentum, go up. So it means if that is gonna happen, we will see maybe GB starting to do what? To reverse and start to go higher. At the moment, you can see that on GBP, we still have this proper uptrend. We still expect to see the market going higher. So yeah, I still I'm still actually on a very long term buy here. So I'm expecting to see that nice push to the upside as we are on that nice uptrend. Plus, what we have here is the market actually respected this level. It was a nice resistance, came back to be a nice support. So I'm expecting to see this to be another support. Then the market might start to do what? The market might start to push to the upside. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, which is going to be gold. Gold yesterday, actually, it was reversing aggressively, but it seems like maybe the market will try to bounce back. At the moment, you can see that, yes, still have some very nice uptrend structures there. But at the moment, we might even try to draw something here because the market already moved far from our initial support. So now we have this other structure, so which means we can have something like that. But obviously, the market is overbought. One way or another, the market has to reverse. But we know very well that there are tensions in the Middle East, so things might not really move the way we want, unfortunately. Or maybe sometimes the market might take time to react to exactly what is happening over there, or actually on the real world, because you can see that this is not exactly what we see the market. The USD, it's been a bit stronger for quite some time, but gold did not really react to that. Why? Because gold, it was focusing on other things. I hope you see that. So this is what we have, obviously. So we have a very proper structure that shows us that, you know what, the market is still on this nice uptrend, but we can easily see that the market is also doing what? The market is also showing us that we have a proper reversal. So the question is, maybe the market will reverse exactly here. So that's why I actually have a quick buy there, or we can say scalping. I sent that in the group to give my people that, you know what, if it reverses here, let's just jump in. You can get out anywhere because we can. It seems to be a very nice scalping opportunity. The market might reverse. Yes, in our group we also have some scalping signals. So yeah, if you are part of us, you know what we do. You know what I'm talking about. So we also have some swings, trades, which you have to hold longer. So, but beside that, you can easily see that the market is showing us that we are going to actually push higher. But anything's still possible. The market can still do its thing, but we have some structures. The market has to show us that, you know what, I will respect this area. Like here, where we are now, the market was melting yesterday, and then the market started to reverse. So this gives us an idea that this area might be something. The market might still bounce back here and still go higher. That for us, it's a bonus because we want that. We need structures where the market gives us some reversals so that we can use those structures to take advantage of our buys or whatever. Maybe it's a sell. But at the moment on gold, we're looking for a proper buy opportunity. I hope you see that. So now on we are on USD, guys. For those who wants to be part of the team, you can post that screenshot there, and you can just scan that QR code or just WhatsApp me if you want to be part of our team, so that we can start to eat together. So this is what we have on USD. This is what we have on USD. We can easily see that yes, the market, it is still on this nice uptrend. Obviously, we see that the market is struggling around this level. Yes, we can still take some opportunities around this area, but we need to be extra careful because a sell can be there, even though we are on that uptrend structure. But I start to realize that I think you might also have something like that. Just for now, we can just mark that area. Do you see that? Let's not count this week there. I hope maybe you see. I hope you see. I think this might be something. I'm not saying it's solid. I'm not saying that the market has to respect that. This is what I see, and maybe that will end up being a proper move. So if the market will be respecting this, it means we'll expect to see the market breaking out of that structure. But I think at the moment, it's also a good time for us. If maybe we get in profit here, you can just get out. Tomorrow there is a CPI, later today there is FOMC meeting. Things might move crazy, so it's better to get out, because at the end of the day, we start to see, or we already saw this, that the market was just consolidating. So this is not really a nice place to be when you trade. So you just need to stay out of the market, that you are safe. So, but the overall structure, yes, I'm still expecting to see a very nice push to the upside, even though it seems like we are on that resistance. So it will be up to the market whether we're breaking out, or maybe the market will try to respect that level. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So this is what we have on Nasdaq. We can easily see that at the moment we see that we are on a very proper, this is a proper buy, guys. You can, sorry, uptrend, man. You can see that this is the area that we can say it's a nice support area. So I'm expecting to see that, but not so fast. You can see that we have an area that we can, not here, you can see that this might be a nice resistant area. Maybe started by started something like that, now something like this. So you can see it's a bit confusing because there are so many areas, which actually makes sense. You see, sinuses. Yeah, sorry. So you can see that at the moment the market seems to be at this highest area. So we also had something like that. So now, obviously, I'm expecting to see the market breaking out of this resistance. If the market doesn't really do that, it means the market might bounce back here, something like that. But at the end of the day, guys, this is just an uptrend. So which means the market will still play around, but we still expect to see the continuation of that uptrend, unless if maybe the market decides to break at these levels. I hope you see that. If the market breaks this level, then it's fine. There is nothing we can do. We can just wait and see. But I'm still very, very bullish. If the market breaks out, obviously I will have something like that. I will have to have something like that. You see that? Nice. So if the market breaks that, then we will be ready to continue. We will be ready to continue. So this is what we have on US oil. The market has been trying to go like seriously crazy, as we no longer on that nice downtrend structure. It seems like now the prices are going to go higher. Middle East tensions getting hotter and hotter, which I just pray that we get peace at that side. I think peace will always, it's always much better than anything. So now on US oil, we can see that the market broke out. So now the market is trying to retest here. If we can get this move, this is going to be a very nice one. But the potential resistance there, I hope you can already see that, is going to be this nice area or that level. So now this is what we have. We were actually supposed to scalp this, but the market is not really moved very nice. So I'm still expecting to see a very nice push to the upside. So I'm expecting a very nice push to the upside. But it seems like the market has been struggling around this level. But I know once it pushes higher, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. So yeah, I'm expecting to see some very nice move, guys. So thank you very much, guys. For those who wants to be part of the team, don't forget to scan that QR code or just WhatsApp me. And yeah, I hope you have a winning streak, the whole week of winning streak. Or let's say the whole year. Or let's say let's find some strategies which are going to help us to make it, because we just want to make it. Thank you very much. Bye.